She's cute, huh? What's up, everybody? So this is a continuation of these casual, not related to private practice videos, but I think this one might be both fun and possibly helpful. As most of you probably know by now, the CDC did release a recommendation that if you do need to go out for essential reasons, to wear a face mask. Now, this is just recommended and not a requirement. We're also not meant to go out and buy N95 masks because there's a shortage of those for those who really need it working in the healthcare profession. So you can make your own mask. So today I am gonna make my own face mask with hopefully a fun twist. We'll see how that goes. Before we dive into that, I wanted to let you know that Joann Fabric and Crafts has released a nationwide program to try to donate 100 million masks to healthcare providers. And they're asking all of us to make those masks. And to make it even easier, they have free kits available to create those masks at all of their stores. They've already donated 33 million plus masks at the time of this recording. I think it would be awesome if they exceeded that goal. My dog agrees. So for today's project, I'm going to be following along with the Joann pattern for creating your own mask, and I'm also adding some personalizations to it, but also the Surgeon General released a super easy mask that you can make with almost anything that you have at home with zero sewing skills. It's literally like a piece of fabric and 2 rubber bands. So I'm going to link to that video in the description box in case you're curious. By the way, I don't actually know how to sew, but I am a crafty person. Let's get started. This stuff is going to be all sped up. You doing cute things? You're standing, which is cute. What up? This is a look. I had a special touch. What do you think? Can you see it? She's a little angry looking. Maybe that's how she feels about all that's going on. But I just wanted to say, I feel like, one, I'm not seeing that many people in the media wear masks. So I feel like here I am wearing my mask on my little YouTube channel. I think you can hear my daughter hiccuping in the background. Anyway, you can't see it, but I'm smiling right now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, from one therapist to another, I wish you well. Whew. That is bright.